Hello. Now let's see another situation which we can solve with the help of sets. Now let's see the question. For this I have selected question number 6 from the problem set 1. The question is, in a class 18 students out of 28 have a dog as their pet animal at home. So 18 students are having dog and out of 28 means total is 28. So if there are 28 students, total 28 students, out of that some are having dog, and how many students are having dog at home? They are 18. 16 students have a cat as their pet. So another group is having cat as their pet and there are 16 students. Okay. Now 10 students have dog and cat both at their both. So both in means they're common. There are 10 students having dog as well as cat. So if we say set A is a set of students having dog and set B is the students of having cat. Okay. So 10 are the common elements, common students. We have what we have to find. Then how many students do not have a dog or cat as their pet at home? It means there are some students are neither having dog nor cat, means they do not belong to set A nor B. So there are some students which are not part of set A as well as B. In this case, we have to understand that total students and the number of elements in U is not equal to number of set A union B. A union B means either they will have dog or cat. But this student number is different than the total. So here the total students are 28. So we can, if you want to show it by Venn diagram, say A is a set of having dog and B is cat. So common element is coming over here in this middle part 10. There are total students 18 who are having dog as their pet. But out of this 18, 10 are having cat also. So if I subtract 10 from this, only dog. How many students have only dog? So 18 minus 10, it is 8 students have only dog. 10 are having dog as well as cat. For B set also, there are 16 students having total cat. Out of that, if you subtract 10 who are having dog, so we have only 6 students having only cat. Now, if we have total of this 8 plus 10 plus 6, it is what? 8 plus 10, 18 plus 6 is 24. But in all, how many students are there? 28. It means some students are there who are neither from this group A or B. So these students, by Venn diagram we can show it. So this remaining part we can say it is out of A union B. This is the whole is A union B, and this there are 4 students. We have seen the total of this is 24. So if we say X here, if we say, and this is U, so 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus X is going to be 28 in all students. So total of this, as we have seen, is 24 plus X, it is 28. So what is the value of X? X is subtracting 24 from 28, we can get 4. So 4 students are having neither dog or cat as their pet animal. This we have solved with the help of Venn diagram. But how we can solve with the help of set? If we want to set or the base on set, this is just to understand, and by understanding this, how to write using set we will see. Now here we have defined that set A be the set of students having dog as their pet and set B be the set of students having cat as their pet. Therefore, number of elements in set A, there are 18 students having dog. Number of elements in set B having cat as their pet, that is 16. Now here we have seen that some students are neither from A or B. And let's write first this 10 students. 10 students are having dog and cat both. It means that number of elements set A intersection B common, they are 10. Now here number of elements in U, that is total, that is 28. Now we will find number of elements at A union B, means having to get either cat or dog or both. This we will find, and then we have to find number of elements in A union B ka complement, that we have to find. This is our question. Okay. So this together will become number of elements in set U. So with the help of the formula, number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection B. To find this number, elements of A is 18 plus this 16 minus 10. So this is the way to solve it in the question paper. So add this 6 plus 8, 14. 1, 2, 3, 34 minus 10, it will give you 24. So 24 students are coming in A union B, either from A or B, or means having dog or cat or both. As we want to find do not have cat or dog, we have to subtract this from number of union A. Number of elements in U minus number of elements in A union B will give us number of elements in A union B ka complement, which we want. Okay, that's why this U is 28 minus 24 is equal to number of elements in A union B, its complement, and the subtraction will give us answer 4. Okay, so our answer is 4 students do not have a cat or dog as their pet at home. This we can write answer in words. Okay, so this is the way to solve and write the answer in words. Thank you.